So I recently went to a restaurant and ordered bang bang chicken, and it was such a fail. It was terrible. So to restore all balance in the bang bang world, I'm going to make some bang bang chicken tonight. So let's whip it up. All right, so let's start with the sauce. We are going to use some mayo, but I do Kewpie mayo from Japan, which is awesome, but you can buy it at like Sam's and Target and Costco. We want to do 2 cups because I'm going to do a double batch because I have a big family. Ooh. And then we're going to do a cup of chili sweet sauce here. And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of Siracha, but if you don't like a lot of heat, you can just cut that in half. 2 tablespoons of honey for that sweetness. And then mix it up. And then we're gonna let it sit. That's your bang bang sauce. I'm gonna stick that in the fridge for a bit. Okay, now let's get our chicken ready. I'm using just regular chicken tenderloins. It's almost 3 pounds. I'm doubling the recipe, remember? So we're gonna start with 2 cups of buttermilk. And then we're gonna add some spices. We have salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Just pour that right in there. Do 1 cup of some cornstarch. That's where it gets all that stickiness from. For fun, because I love it, we're going to add some Kinder's Chili Crunch. I actually put this on everything. Makes it so much better. You can add it if you want, or you can omit it, but I say you just add it. And then we're going to do 2 eggs. Wash your hands. And then just give this a good stir. Okay, let that sit for like a minute and let that cornstarch like bubble up. Let's make our breadcrumbs. 2 cups per 1.5 pounds, so we'll just do that for fun. All right, let's pound the chicken. Don't skip this step because this is what makes the chicken tenderized and not rubbery, because that's no good. Let's season it with some blend. This is a salt, pepper, and garlic blend, my favorite. Of course, for fun, we're gonna do some more chili garlic. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So flip it and season the other side. So let's take our batter. Now let's coat them. Dip generously, with clean hands, of course. And then you're gonna coat it in the panko crumbs or breadcrumbs, whichever one you have. Press it in. And you're gonna lay it. And repeat. So on a medium-low heat, you're going to add about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of oil to a pan, and then you're going to fry it. Don't overcrowd it. We're gonna do about 3 to 4 minutes per side until you know that the chicken is completely cooked. So now let's add our bang bang sauce over the chicken. I'm just gonna take it and I'm just going to drizzle it all over. You can definitely stick it in a bigger bowl and you can toss it, but I like the drizzle. That way you have some left over if you want to serve it with rice or veggies, but look how beautiful that is. it's all done. We're gonna take one piece, not like that. I'm gonna add a little more Asian barbecue sauce. You can add whatever you want, or you can add nothing at all. Yum Yum sauce would be really good on top of everything as well. Take a little bit, drizzle it. So now let's try this Bang Bang chicken. It pairs well actually with fried rice, which I will show you how to make that in another video. Let's try this Bang Bang chicken right now. Itadakimasu. Hear that crunch? So good. Try it. You're gonna love it.